thank you for the gift. Thank you for the party pony. Those are so cute. Aww. I'm gonna have to go back. And then you're gonna hear me, oh, like in the background. I'll be like, oh my God, what's wrong with her? Oh my God, Athena. Thank you. Thank you so much, Purple, for the heart puffs. Yeah, showing out today. Oh my God, get Lexi. What she want me to do for this? You wish you could come? You know you can come. You might have to drive a little bit. No, I'm playing. A drive would be crazy. Thank you, Athena. You are much appreciated. These are the bombs of my dreams. They're white, they are so good. Come on now, she will do the book. You have to go to the pulga. I've been on for a little more than an hour. Okay. So good. Am I gonna save? Yeah. I'm gonna save like whatever the jugs can hold, but then that's probably gonna be it. Dr. Pepper, baby. Yeah, the purple epoxy, oof, so good. Hey, Kayla. You know, they have one that's like red. I don't know about every time, Nora, but I think it's like the ones for sure on the live. They'll be like, that's the pepper, baby. It's good, it's nice, doo-doo-doo. Kayla, it's been a long time. Where you been? Hey, Zilla. Hey, book lovers. Yeah, rub it in the clumps, yeah. Damn, this shit thick. It's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Ah. Bonus points if you know where that's from. Am I anemic? Yes. But not anemic enough to need like iron transfusions. I'm gonna just add both of them. It's gonna work out. Okay, watery squeezes. I feel like I've been liking HEB Pine more lately than Panellinda. Like a video? Have you tried the HEB Pine? And a lot of people said they've been liking it more too lately. You missed it. Oh. Gotta put the notifications. I thought you said it's like a couple hours or like an hour from you. Well, now that you're not working that horrible second job, you could go. On your free time. But like, we're gonna make a trip. Tell Kevin, we're gonna make a trip. Or tell Gavin. Over to HEB. Hi, Nelly. Exactly. I literally got some boots for my birthday a couple weeks ago, but they're winter boots. Like literally, my birthday was like 3 weeks ago. And now I can't wear them because it's fucking hot as fuck. No, baby, I don't have winter green. I already know this shit gonna be thick. Like, look at the consistency already. I don't have no more liquid going in. And I have 36 cans to go in still. Blah. Hold on, I might add a couple more sponges. Hey, Sophia. Rodeo? Maybe. Who are you gonna see? Are you gonna see someone or are you just gonna go? Hey, Just Vibes. This was pine panelin, purple panelin, lemon cans, Blanca powder, purple Ajax dish soap, and green palm olive dish soap. And I don't know why, I did literally see a video why everyone trying to come to Houston for spring break. Like, Houston is not the spot for the spring break. You need to go to like Corpus Christi, you need to go to South Padre. Actually more like South Padre, you need to go over there. Thank you. Oh, sorry, McDonald, it's really not. See, that's what I'm saying. It's really not. Like, don't be coming for no spring break. Like, what you gonna do? Like, this is a clubbing spot. Like, when I think of spring break, I think of the beach. Like, I think I'm. And I do not think about Galveston. I don't know about y'all.